How to find sounds in the app settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find sounds in the app settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy and then click settings and then go down and you will find here media. Click on it and then go down until you find sounds in the app and then just manage it on it you want, turn it off or turn it on, and that's it. That's how to find sounds in the app settings on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.